Welcome to the video. Doing a vlog today. I mean, I'm still making stuff with my hands, okay? Pumpkin pies!
The pie's holding me hostage.
Picasso! More chef's hat it is. Woo! I'm gonna be sharing other parts of my life like the garden, just day to day, even some solar oven cooking because the solar oven has been upgraded, solar oven 2.0. So let's go. So I'm gonna be making some bread from scratch because I have the solar oven out. It's been upgraded. It should get hotter now. So I wanna make some more sun buns. And for real this time. Unlike last time I wasn't able to because I broke the oven. Start with, I just go off of feeling, but about 3 cups of flour, my yeast in warm water, some salt, oils, oh. Gonna check on the solar oven outside. Look at these cuties. Look at these cuties. Okay, I had to move the cart over to the sun and it's getting more light now directly into the cooking chamber. So right now we are at, let's just say 175, I don't know, 180. The spinach that I've grown here just stopped growing, it's stunted, so it's not gonna get any better, so I'm just gonna take it out. I don't even taste spinach. Well, I'm eating it. I can't really taste it. I taste everything else. But I'm eating it, hey. Free vitamins. Oh. Finally got the bread in the oven at around 130. So every half hour from now on till it's done, I'm gonna go outside and adjust the cart to the sun and check on how the bread's doing. But for now, I need to keep working on Autodesk Fusion and learning the program. So I'm gonna spend some time doing that for an hour and a half probably. Oh Lord, why is it so hard? It's gonna get easier. It'll get easier, just keep showing up. Yeah, I was coming outside to check on the oven and what the hell? I hope no one's house is on fire. Oh my god. Whoa! At the sunbun. Uh, well, hello. It is some other day right now. Some other day right now. And today I want to make a pie. And what kind of pie? Pumpkin pies. I harvested these from the garden. I don't know, some couple weeks ago, probably. Come here, girl. And I really gotta make something out of them now and gonna make a pie. I love it. I'm getting these fall vibes in the middle of summer. Dude, I freaking love fall, Halloween, all that. I can't wait for it. Can't wait. I'm gonna start to get more into it every year now. Its own. So I'm gonna be following this guy's recipe, this young gentleman. I liked his recipe because it was very simple. And you don't have to cook the pie and the crust separately. He just does it together. I'm like, whatever makes this easier. Also, this is not my first time making pumpkin pie. I did it a couple years ago. It came out good, but like the bottom of the crust was really hard and it was so hard to cut through. I was like, damn, what the hell? Let's see if I have a better knife. You know what pies I really like to make are apple pies with the lattice top. I made a whole bunch of those. I've never cut the skin off of a pumpkin. I always just bake it, like the whole thing. What? I wanted to try a new recipe, and that's what this food did. So instead of baking it, I'm gonna do it on the stove top. Okay, I did it, yo. Yo, that was difficult. My left arm is tired. Okay, all this going back to the compost. Going to compost. Yo, these pumpkins grew on accident. I threw my sweet pumpkins, like the seeds and all like the scraps, away in my compost after Halloween last year. And then when I threw my compost in my raised beds to prepare for this spring, pumpkins started to grow. Dang, some good dirt. I don't know, good compost, whatever. See, it's when I don't care about what I'm doing, it comes out better in reference to the garden. When I do care, that shit dies and doesn't even grow. Okay, I gotta take out all the seeds now. Oh my god, why is this so hard to cut? Oh. Oh. I see why I've been procrastinating making these pies. This is difficult. Oh man. What do I do about all this string stuff? Oh. I am not this bad. I am not this bad at cooking, I swear. Okay, let's not do that. All right, y'all. Whatever, dude. Just seems like I should add butter, you know? Butter. I do have brown sugar. Ah. What am I doing not wearing an apron? Let's get one. Okay, I got green, black. Bro, I also have a chef's hat. Okay, I'm gonna put that on. Can you see me? Okay. I also have a chef's hat. I'm gonna put that on. Or I got white. Let's be, I'm gonna do white to be dangerous, just to see. I mean, y'all can already see how dirty and chaotic I am when I'm cooking. And why do I always cook like it's an emergency? It's not necessary. And it'll also match my hat. Okay, I've never used this before. Whenever I make pie crisps, I do it by hand. So this is gonna be a luxury right now. I don't know. That seems right. So, okay. Now I know I need butter. How much butter? I need cold butter too.
We'll follow this with 10 tablespoons of unsalted cold butter cut into
Cold butter. I'm gonna need a stick and an eighth. Oh my god, this is fun. I actually get to do something else and not like whittle wood right now. I'm gonna cut this up. I mean, I'm still making stuff with my hands, okay? And I just switched from one. I mean, woodworking isn't a hobby. I take it seriously, but you know what I mean? Switch from one hobby to another. Never rest. God, I just love butter so much. I can just eat it like that. Do a few cubes at a time. Working. But don't I need water? Dude, I'm just doing it by hand now. It's easier. That's why I always did it by hand. We about there. That's it. We're at the consistency. We about there. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, Picasso. I'm so tempted to just eat it like this, but that's gonna be disgusting. Don't do that. Ooh. How come mine comes out funky? Oh yeah, bitch. It ripped a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna work. Oh, see all that excess right here? Boom. You know what? This is all good stuff. I'm just gonna fold it in there and keep it because we all want crust. We all want more crust. Dude, my dog Alice is sniffing over there by the oven. She's like, what can I get? What's that? It's still not soft enough yet, so I just gotta wait and then I can blend that stuff and puree it. Yeah. Ah, since the pumpkin's still cooking, I'm gonna have some breakfast, a little steak sandwich. Yeah. Oh. Mm. 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 It's also a sun bun. Last one. Ah! Oh, what happened? Oh. Also about to watch the game. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. I'm loving how the World Cup this year is bringing a lot of people together. Oh, it's so beautiful. You know, because I think, because most of the time it ends up being that way. A lot of sports are like big distractions, so the government can do some shady stuff. I mean, who knows if they are? It's so much to keep up with if they are doing that right now. But seeing on social media how much people are being brought together because they're traveling to go see the World Cup in different countries and seeing foreigners in foreign places. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love seeing people get along, just embracing each other, just being human and having a good time together. So beautiful. Oh, I'm an animal. All right, got my pumpkin. Look at that. Some parts are a little burnt. Oh, I'm gonna love that flavor in there. I'm gonna love it. Okay, I'll just start with that for now. Okay, add a little water. Damn, it's gonna be like a roasted pumpkin pie. Like, duh, hello. My friend told me more chef's hat. More chef's hat it is. Woo! So I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients now because the puree is pureed. The crust is crust. Half a teaspoon. Okay, let's just say that's half. How much flour, bro? Oh, wait. Okay, wait. I gotta start over. I gotta weigh the sugar, the brown sugar. Okay, well, that's all I have, and that's almost enough. This is gonna be a little bit. I'm gonna have so much puree left over. Are you serious? So I'm only supposed to use 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. Look how much I have left. Bro. Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, like, that's like the right amount. Now I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to whip the leftover cream. Let's just use it all and make whipped cream. Hello. So I'm gonna just be here doing this. I'm gonna watch the game and whip this. I stirred too long and now I have butter. Oh, more butter. Okay, so I gotta do 425 for 15 minutes first and then lower the temp, cook it for 40 more minutes at 350. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, I changed. This pie is holding me hostage now, so I just started a workout and the internet's down. So I'm like, well, I guess I can just do like an ab workout or something. But anyway, the oven went off. So let's see if it's ready. I don't think it's done. Go a little longer. A little longer. Oh my God, it's not ready. Fuck. It was still really jiggly. Yo, this pie's still not done and I can't wait. I'm just gonna start working out. I'm working out outside now. The pie's holding me hostage. I just gotta work out now. Another leg day, great. Starting way over here. Yo, gonna lunge. Let's do this. Stand up. It's good. It's good. Feels better. Yo, okay, finally it's done. I think. Check it out. It looks beautiful. Just gonna let it rest, finish my workout. And that'll be a post-workout treat. What? Yo, look at this. Looks so good. Oh God, did I overcook the crust? It's so beautiful. The crust is hard. Mm. The way it's delicious, it's just still kind of hot. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let this cool off like a little bit more. Mm. Mm. So the crust is cooked too much compared to the pumpkin. That's why that shit's so hard. But delicious. You know what? With the game's still on, the same game. Since you can't really use a fork with this pie because it's hard to get through the crust, they didn't make it. It's a handheld pie now. Mm. Oh, so good. Delicious. It tastes better because it was a homegrown pie. That's why. Homegrown pumpkin for the pie. I know what it is too. It's because I added too much water when I was blending the pumpkin. I should have drained that out. I think that's why it took longer. But nevertheless, delicious. Since I was so happy to hear that you guys liked this episode, and a lot of you guys commented mini-series, well, it's time to update this wheel to make a new episode. Since I've already made 2 of these things on this wheel, just gonna change it up. Yes, new target made. Now I'm not gonna let you see what I'm gonna add on this just yet. That has to wait till the video. So this is a big giveaway for what the next video is gonna be. So I'll see you next time. Thank you for hanging out with me on this one. Now the next video, we're gonna be doing something like this, if you know what this is.